Hey everyone, I got box 13 of my Darn Good Yarn of the Month subscription. Let's see what we got here. We'll start with the yarn. It's actually really pretty. We got some blues and darker green and lighter green. The blue is almost like a midnight. It's like a purpley blue. Silk roving worsted weight yarn called Midnight Pines. I'll hold this open. You can pause this if you would like to read the information. It's actually pretty cool info about the company. It is a number 4 worsted weight yarn. It was made in India. Here's your needle and hook size and everything. That is pretty. And felt ball coasters. Actually, that's a really neat idea for coasters. The wool is going to absorb excess moisture. Okay, those are neat. What else we got in here? Okay, and here, the pattern. If you want to pause this and read, there's more information about the yarn and the company. Well, typically it's families, but the people who make it. Okay, here's the knit pattern. What is it? A trinket tray. And crochet is a trinket tray as well. It's definitely a pattern I have not seen before. Alright, so we got the yarn. Super pretty. We got some felt ball coasters, which actually might be a fun little project for the kids to make. And we got the patterns. Alright guys, that's all I've got for this one. This is box 13 of Darn Good Yarn of the Month Club. More information about the box, coupon code specials, stuff like that will be in the video description below, so make sure you check that out. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow, turn on notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching.